I'm Jeremy from Vex Team 1138, and in this video we'll talk to you about the Vex competition tournament format and some tips and tricks to get through it.
First thing you want to do when you get to the competition is sign in with your team and get your pit map. Thank you. Team number will be on the pit, on the map, and you'll just look and go to that corresponding area.
The pit is your home base during the competition, and it can get really hectic there. So what our team does is appoint a pit manager.
So the pit manager's job is to make sure your pit is well organized, running smoothly, and is safe. He's usually going to stay with the pit the majority of the day.
The line for inspection can be long, so you want to make sure you get in line early so that your bot can make it to the first match.
During robot inspection, the robot will be inspected by event staff to make sure it is in compliance with all game rules and restrictions.
Once all the teams are registered and an inspection is finished, they generate a match list, and you're going to want to go and grab that as soon as possible. This way you can tell when your matches are, what your alliances are, and who your opponents are. And this is really important for not just being on time, but also for scouting.
Another important job on the team is scouting. Scouting, you can determine your opponent's capabilities before a match. Before the actual tournament, there will be a drivers' meeting. It is essentially important for your drive team to go to this meeting because the referees will go over any special rules and special circumstances for the tournament.
Most competitions have a practice field. You'll be going here a lot if you need help with your programming or if you're troubleshooting some problems with your robot. Remember to take your shoes off if you're trying to walk in the field.
When working in your pit at any time, the judges could come by, so you have to be ready to stop what you're doing and answer their questions, and remember to be as respectful as possible.
An important role on the team is drive support. Since the drivers aren't able to leave the queue after they're queuing, they need to have someone who can run from the queue to the pit very quickly so that they can get certain things that they forgot, like batteries.
So what you're seeing here is alliance selection. Basically what that means is that after all the qualifying matches, the top-seeded teams get to choose their respective partners to compete in the finals with. And even if you don't finish in the very top, by being the best team that you possibly can and being the best partner, you can still be selected and still win the tournament.